This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Callis-Lett. Beautifully maintained end unit in sought-after York River Villas. Maintenance-free living less than 1 mile to the Coleman Bridge. Open floor plan with many upgrades to include a walk-in shower, plantation shutters, under-counter lighting in the kitchen. Garage floor has been epoxied and walls painted. Private back patio, extended at time of construction and fenced. First floor includes kitchen with granite countertops and bar seating with connecting breakfast nook, half bath and a family room with gas fireplace. Upstairs includes large primary bedroom with tray ceilings, primary bath with granite and double vanity, 2 other spacious bedrooms that have rarely been used. Also another full bath with granite countertops. Don't miss out, this one won't last. For more information, review the details below.